if the dog comes and licks from the utensil, you will throw the water, number one. And what will you do next? You will use sand to clean it. Then you will use water 6 times to wash it. That's when it will be clean. And from the hadith, from the wordings of Tirmidhi, we came to know that either by sand in the beginning or either by sand in the end, last. So either ways, when you wash, when you put sand, obviously you will find some of the stains of dirt, and it will be very difficult for you to pour water or utilize to eat food, because the sand will stay. So what is more authentic is to use sand in the beginning and continue with the water. Question arises here, what we understand from the hadith is that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam specifically mentions about the dog, not about any other animal. He specifically mentions about the dog, not any animal, not the lion, not any animal. For example, if the lion, or if any of the animal that comes, donkey or any other animal comes to your pot, okay, and it drinks or it licks from the pot, what will you do? You don't have to wash it. But when dog licks from it, you have to clean with the dirt and wash it 7 times. This is the ruling, because there are different kind of najas. There are najas which is minor, there are najas which is major. So among the major impurity, the saliva of the dog is major. The saliva of the dog is from the major impurity. So therefore Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us to throw the water and clean the pot. 2 things here. What are the things? Throw the water, you are not supposed to utilize it, and clean the pot. By dog licking the water, does it change the properties? No. The smell does not change, the color does not change, nor the taste changes. But the qaida, that the ruling that we understand from this hadith is, even if the properties does not change, if the dog licks, you have to throw the water and wash the utensil.